Hi guys, it's Sophia. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I'm super excited to be sharing some dies by Coco and Reno, and they are part of peachycheap.com, and I believe you can also find them at cocoandreno.com. But it's a monthly dies subscription program, and I believe it's $12.99 for the month, and the dies that I'll be sharing are for the month of July. So I believe you still have time until the end of June to order or subscribe to their list so that you'll receive these for the monthly subscription price, which I believe is $12.99. So I'll link their website down below so you can check it out if you like, but they're super cute, and I have used the dies and they cut really, really well. And I just wanted to point out their beautiful packaging. I wish you could feel this through the screen. It's like a velvety pink material, super soft, super pretty pink, and the company logo is embossed into the fabric. So I love their packaging. And then the rosettes came in this little package here, which is equally just cute. I love this little typewriter design. So cute. So this is the packaging that the dies were in, and I thought it was a great price too. You get 5 different like little edge designs for the rosettes here, and I'll go over each of them. So they have a butterfly design here on the edge, and it's so cute. It looks like they're just all flying around. Really cute. And then this one here is like a classic scalloped edge with little circles cut out, so I could see using this one on several different projects. Really cute. And then they have one that looks kind of like a lacy doily design here. Really pretty. This one just reminds me of like a Southwest or Santa Fe style design here. And then this one's super cute with the stars and the pink edge there. So you get all of these, and then you also get 4 different dies to either accent your rosettes, or you can use these as a center as well. There's a butterfly, a little scallop circle. This one I think goes really well with the Santa Fe or Southwest design, and a star. So really cute, and you can definitely use these, you know, on other projects as well. I really like the size of this butterfly here. So those are the dies, and I did already cut some of them out. They cut really, really well. I didn't have a problem at all, and I still just use my little cuddle bug to cut things out. And I don't normally use a metal shim, so if you don't have one, I didn't have any problems cutting these out. They cut really well. So this is the little scalloped edge one, and I love the size of these. I'll get a ruler out in a minute. This is the star one. Really cute. And here's another one with the stars. Another one with the little scalloped edge. This one here, super cute. Once you fold it up, it totally looks like a little flower, like with a doily edge. So I thought this one was beautiful. Really, really like this one. So pretty. And then this one here is the one with the butterflies. Really, really pretty. And here's another one with the doily edge. And let me see, I think that's all of them. Oh, here's the Santa Fe or Southwest looking one. And I thought this paper was perfect. I think it's one of the Maggie Holmes papers, but the design of the paper just kind of totally went with the design of the rosette. So I thought that was so cute. So let me get the ruler out so you can see the size when they're all put together. So these ones here are about 2 1/4. This one's maybe, it's the same. You can like about 2 1/4. It's the same one. The star one, same thing, 2 1/4. This one is a little bit bigger, edge to edge. This one measures about 2 3/4. And this one here at the longest edge measures almost 3 inches. You know, from the tip of the little butterflies. And this one I think is the smallest. It is well, it's still about 2 1/4. So they're all about 2 1/4, and then this one is a little bit bigger. And then I also cut out some of the centers here just so you could see them. The stars, the little butterfly. This is the inner piece, and the little scalloped one. So really cute, and they all just cut really well. And I did, I don't know if you can see this, I did have a little bit of a tip for the one with the doily edge. I don't know if it really matters all that much, but this is the first one I did, and when I put it together like I normally do the other rosettes, I found that this little area here where they meet up was a little bit different once I put them together. It kind of, I don't know if you can see the difference or if it matters all that much, but putting it together like I normally do, it kind of was missing this little edge where it goes in deeper at both of the areas where they join up, because for each of these I cut this strip twice, and then you join them together, you know, on this end and this end to form the rosette. So this one here I did a little bit different, and I liked it a lot better because it just was more, you know, there was no lessening of that gap, so it was all even all the way around. So in order to do that, what I did was here's 2 pieces cut out and already folded and everything. And then what I did was I cut 2 little hinge pieces from scrap paper, and I just, you know, cut a little piece, a little rectangle piece, and folded it in half down the middle. So I cut 2 of those, and I'll put it together just so you can see what I'm saying. So normally when I put them together, I would cut this piece off, one little section off, and then just put them together like this, you know, one on top of the other. Glue them together like that. But for this one, I really wanted it to just meet up like this. So I just created my own little hinge, and I just added glue to one side, like so, and put it underneath this little area, if you can see that, to create like a little tab piece there. And I did it to both of the pieces. So I will do another one here, just add a little bit of glue. And this is my favorite glue, you guys. I use it all the time. It's the Aleene's Tacky Glue. It's just always kind of at hand and convenient for me to use on projects. So that's what I did to create like a little hinge there, or a tab. And then I just joined them together. So then I took the other side that did not have a hinge and glued it there. So then, if you're just kind of looking at it, it creates just like a continuous border. And the other way, it changed it up a little bit. So there's that, and then I joined the other side the same way, like so. And let's give that a minute to set up. And this is the way I do them. I have to do it down here, sorry. But I usually just kind of flatten it out and then add a little center. So I'm not going to do that part, and see, it just came apart. It was not dry enough. So that's it, guys. So that's how I did this one in order to just make the design flow a little bit better. So just a little tip on that one. If it matters to you, I think this one looks great too. Doesn't really make a huge difference, but for me, that's what I did with this one. So that's it. So I will be coming back to share a couple of projects using the rosettes, but I wanted to just share really quick the cute designs and the dies, and I hope you come back to take a look at the projects that I create with these dies. So check out their links down below in the description box, and thank you guys for stopping by and taking a look. Bye, guys.